These lights are available in two different colour options, a smoked version and a red version. Please see the links below. These can be purchased from our website or our eBay store. The first half of the video we will fit a smoked version, and the second half of the video we will fit a red version against the clock, just to show that these can be fitted within 2 minutes per light unit without using any tools.
So here we have a Polo MK5, otherwise known as a 6R model. We're going to be fitting some rear lights in this. These are smoked LED rear lights with dynamic indicators. There is no tools required to fit these lights into this vehicle, so watch this video and we'll show you how easy this is to do. So inside the boot, you'll see this little flap. Pull it back and you'll see this little clip. This needs to be twisted out. It's now out, so the rear light should just simply pull out. That's it. So to unplug the rear light, there's two tabs. Press those in and then pull the plug out. As you can see, these lights are packed really well. There is two plug types on this, depending what year range your vehicle is. So we obviously need this plug. There is also a resistor pack, which will need to be stuck onto the body of the vehicle. So just peel off the 3M back in and stick that on. Ideally to a metal surface, because sometimes these can get warm. For now, I will just dangle it there. Then it's just simply a case of reinstalling this.
These rear lights are fully E-marked, they are road legal and also MOT compliant.
Let's see how quick we can do this with no tools. Remove the lug. Someone's already been in here before. It's got a damaged pin.